So, today's day 3 of decluttering. Wala ako masyadong na-declutter ngayon kasi, well, galing work and pagod na dahil halos 6 hours akong nagturo ngayon. Pero, I still managed to pick up some stuff na hindi ko naman na ginagamit or I don't see value in. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Konti lang. Ayan lang sila. Ilang bags. 'Di ba? Ang rule ko naman sa sarili ko is that mag-declutter ako ng at least 2 items per day. And nagawa ko naman since ilan 'yan? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yun, 9 stuff siya. Well, that's it for today. It's the third day of decluttering and I hope you still keep me accountable na makapag-post ako every day and to show you my progress in my journey to having a home that is clutter-free, hopefully. Ayan, so see you again tomorrow. Bye!